Welcome to Beekeeping Basics, Episode 2, a video series on essential information all new beekeepers or anybody who's already a beekeeper should know. Keep watching so you don't miss any vital information. In this episode, we'll be covering the essential information that every beekeeper must know about the life cycle of the honeybee. There are 3 types of bee in the honeybee colony: the drone, the worker, the queen. Number 1, the drones. We start with the sometimes expendable, no less essential members of the colony, the drones. The drones are the male members of the colony. Their job is to mate with the queen. Fun fact about the drones have no father, but they do have a grandfather. The drones start life as an unfertilized egg. After 3 days, the eggs hatch into little drone larvae. They're fed by worker bees, at first on royal jelly, and then on a mixture of honey and pollen. After 6 days, the drone larva is nice and fat, the cell is capped, and the drone spins a cocoon that it pupates inside and grows into a full-size adult bee. The drone spends 15 days inside the cocoon before it's fully grown and chews his way out. That's 24 days from egg to bee. They don't leave the hive for around 12 to 13 days. This is when they're sexually mature. They leave the hive in the afternoon looking for a queen to mate. Drones are kicked out of the hive as winter approaches, or during times of dearth when there's no nectar coming in. Once the drone has mated with the queen, he dies. Job well done. Number 2, the queen. The queen is the baby-making factory for the hive. The queen starts life as a fertilized egg placed inside a special cell called a queen cup or a play cup. After 3 days, the egg hatches and is fed royal jelly by the worker bees. The larva is fed only royal jelly for the next 5 days, then it spins a cocoon and pupates. The worker bees build the queen a special cell to pupate in called a queen cell. It's much bigger than a normal cell. After 8 days, the queen emerges. This is 16 days from egg to bee. We call her a virgin queen. She grows the fastest and emerges quicker than any of the other bees. After 5 or 6 days, she'll go out on a mating flight, where she mates with many drones, comes back and begins laying eggs for the colony. She can live up to 4 or 5 years, maybe more. However, many are replaced by beekeepers every 2 years, some even every 1 year. Number 3, the most important and most dynamic, the worker bee. The worker bee is so crucial, it deserves a video of its own. Check out episode 3 in the link.